A stitch in time saves 9. Time is money. Time once gone doesn't come back. Comment some more proverbs or idioms which you know related to time in the comment section. Yes. So now, what are we here for? We are here for discussing one very serious concern of yours. The 3 mistakes that you do which waste your time. Yes. The first mistake that you do is you start studying and you become very comfortable because you're studying on bed. Yes. That's the worst mistake that you can do. I know that probably not everybody has a study table, but you should maintain a erect posture. You should maintain a posture wherein you are very alert throughout. Yes. Try using a table and a chair, or try sitting on the floor on a mat, but not on bed, please. The next is procrastination. When you feel that this is difficult, I'll do it tomorrow. This is easy, so easy, why to do it today? We'll do it tomorrow. And that tomorrow never comes. Time, because once gone, will not come back. Yes? So do not procrastinate. That's another mistake that you do which should not be done. And last but not the least mistake, which most of us do, is just thinking and not starting at all. Thinking and making a lot of plans, but not executing those plans, right? So those thinking of plans is not going to give you any fruit if you don't start working on it. You just think that this topic is so difficult, I will work on it. But when? That when should be decided. So not starting is another thing. These 3 mistakes should be avoided a lot because they can create a chaos in your life. Today's shout out goes to Srijit Nair and Baby's World. Thank you for watching our videos. Everybody stay tuned at Letstute.